Hi guys, I have a very different video for you today. If you can tell, I have a lot of makeup on. And the reason is because I am in a play this weekend and I've got most of my stage makeup on, except for my lipstick. And I wanted to just get on here for a little bit to touch base with you and say that because of all the rehearsals that we've had, I've not had a time to do a video, but I am going to show you what I've been doing the last couple days. That actually, the more like the last week, but it was way too much to do in a couple days, believe me. Okay, so I'm going to flip the camera around and I'm going to show you. Look at what I've been doing. I have been stamping, die cutting, and I have all these sentiments done. I'm just so excited about it. This came from a stamp set that I've used a little bit, but anyway, I just thought I'd hop on here and show you. So hopefully I'll be able to use these in a lot of birthday cards in the coming however long it takes me to get through them. So, all right, take care, guys. Bye.